Gardening with kids is one of those activities that combines fun, education, and bonding in a way few others can. Whether you're planting a small vegetable garden in your backyard or just tending to a few potted plants on the balcony, the benefits of involving children in gardening are abundant and impactful. A hands on science lesson, gardening is a living lab right in your backyard. When kids plant seeds, watch them sprout, and eventually harvest their fruits, they learn about plant life cycles, ecosystems, and the importance of nurturing the environment. It's one thing to read about photosynthesis in a book, but it's another to see it in action as your plants grow towards the light. Taking care of a garden teaches kids responsibility. They quickly learn that plants need regular water, weeding, and care. It's a valuable lesson as they see the direct results of their efforts, both positive and negative. When kids are responsible for their own little garden patch, they learn the importance of taking care of living things, which can extend to how they treat pets, siblings, and even themselves. Kids who grow their produce are far more likely to eat them. When they've put the time and effort into growing something, they're eager to taste the fruits of their labor. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel where I share information on organic gardening and wildlife conservation. As well as my adult books, I also have several books for families and kids. Check out the links in the description. Gardening introduces children to the concept of healthy eating in a fun and engaging way. Plus, you'll have a hard time convincing them that vegetables aren't delicious when they've just plucked a fresh carrot from the ground. Also, we don't want our kids believing this is where our food comes from. In our busy lives, finding quality time to spend together as a family can be challenging. Gardening offers a perfect solution. It's an activity where everyone can get involved, from the youngest to the oldest family members. The memories you create in the garden will last a lifetime. Gardening is great for physical exercise, but it's also a fantastic way to reduce stress and anxiety in children. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can improve mood and mental health. The act of gardening itself, digging, planting, nurturing plants, can be incredibly therapeutic. In an increasing digital world, it's essential to keep kids connected with the natural world. Gardening is a perfect way to instill a love for nature in children. When they see the wonders of nature up close, the way a plant grows from a tiny seed, the role of butterflies in pollination, or the richness of the soil, they develop a deeper appreciation for their environment. This connection can foster a lifelong respect for the earth and its ecosystems. If you're new to gardening, don't worry. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start small with easy to grow plants like radish, lettuce, or sunflowers. You can check out my many intro to growing for specific plant videos on this channel. Growing sunflowers can make a great connection to nature by attracting birds. Create a designated garden space, whether it's a raised bed in the yard or a few pots on the porch. Get your kids involved in every step, from choosing what to plant to digging in the dirt. The key is to make it fun and let them take ownership of their little piece of nature. When my kids were about 7 or so, I gave them their own garden plots and told them to grow whatever they wanted. Invariably, it was watermelon, which is cranky and takes a long time, but it's a good lesson, a good life lesson as well. So grab some seeds, roll up your sleeves, and start planting the seeds of knowledge, responsibility, and joy in your children's lives. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Have a wonderful and sunny day.